Greetings, Claymont families. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tammy Stewart, and I'm the proud principal of Claymont Elementary. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. I have a quick presentation that I'd like to share with you, so please bear with me. So again, I say welcome to Claymont Elementary, home of Cougar Kindness. You will hear us talk a lot about Cougar Kindness. That is something that we promote with our students, to be kind to each other, to assist each other, and just show kindness. So again, this is myself here, and hopefully you'll be able to see me. I'll move my picture over there. And my administration team, we are so excited to be able to join you. We are in this together. I want you all to know that we hear your concerns, we hear your challenges and the barriers, and we hear the compliments. And we appreciate you sharing with us and reaching out to us. And we want to provide the best learning environment for all of our students. We are not a team because we work together. We are a team because we respect, trust, and care for each other. And I want you to know that we care for your children. We are doing our very best to ensure that they have access to the best technology. Of course, at Claymont, we have the best teachers here. So we are excited about what's happening even during these uncertain times. Members of my administration team consist of Mr. Christopher Romano, Ms. Angela Williams, and Mr. Edward Burks. So here are some pictures of them working hard through remote learning and throughout the school year. We want you to know, families, that we appreciate you. Thank you for all that you have done during this time. We recognize, again, there's been some challenges and some barriers, but we appreciate all of your support throughout these times. Thank you for your kindness, your thoughtfulness, and your collaboration. So tonight is our open house, and our schedule is listed below. From about 6 to 6:30, you'll have some time with your teachers. And we recognize that some of our families have multiple children here, so we do have session 2. So if you only have one child here with us, you can go visit our specialist related arts and our support staff. I have sent out those Zoom links in advance. Also, I'm asking the teacher to post them in Schoology. They are waiting for you to ask them questions and figure out what kind of supports are available, and to talk to our related arts teachers to see what kind of lessons they have up. And then our third session, again, is from 7:05 to 7:30, where our specialists and our related arts and our support staff will be available. So Claymont Elementary has a lot of programs at our school. We have our immersion program, which is in kindergarten through 5th grade, our autism program, also known as BSAP, our gifted and talented program for 4th and 5th graders, and our specialized instruction program, and thus for students with IEPs or 504s. We are happy to celebrate some of the success of our students. We know that our students are submitting assignments on time. They're engaging in chat discussion with their peers and their teachers and support staff. We've seen a great increase in attendance, so thank you very much. We see students going to their SEL lessons and their specials. Students are in quiet learning spaces when possible, and students are picking up the to-go meals from the school. So thank you for that. And shout out to our teachers who are also doing an amazing job. They're supporting each other with lessons and breakout groups with our students. They've become more comfortable with our new apps and our platforms. They are sharing ideas and strategies to support student growth, and they're continuing to plan in order to provide more opportunities for our students. We wanted to talk to you a little bit about MTSS. That used to be what we called PBS, but now MTSS is an umbrella to not only look at students who may have academic challenges, but to look at behavior challenges, and to kind of reward our whole school for doing the right thing. So we'll continue to support students who have academic and behavior challenges through our MTSS team. So some students will receive small group support through our teachers, support staff, counselors, and school psychologists. And then we're going to look at the data to make sure that the interventions that we're doing are working. We also know that our MTSS team, along with our staff, will use positive reinforcement to acknowledge students who are meeting our Claymont expectations of being responsible, respectful, cooperative, and safe. And we'll do that through individual rewards such as Class Dojo, class incentives, and school-wide incentives. We wanted you to know that your child should have received the code of conduct. We passed it out when we did device dissemination. It's going to be reviewed with them if it's not already been done via video. We want you to remind your children about our school-wide expectations, even during remote learning. So just a little bit about attendance. First, we thank you for your patience with attendance. We know that there was some confusion around it, but we wanted you to know that attendance will be taken in the AM and the PM. So it is important that your child is online during that synchronous time. And when we say online, we mean that the student is engaged in the learning, they're participating. So when a student just logs in for a minute and then leaves without us knowing why that's happening, then that student will be marked absent. So it is important that the student is daily in attendance for those synchronous learning times. Now, while we recognize there are some challenges with some internet connections and things like that, we do ask that you communicate those concerns to us so that we're not marking the student absent, and we want to help troubleshoot what those problems are, because it is important for our students to be online and to be learning. If your child is ill, please remember to send the teacher an email, and if you could CC Miss Monroe, her email address is on the screen, that would be great too. We want to make sure that we are capturing what's happening. And we want you to know that we really want to see our students' smiling faces every day. So we are a Title I school, and what that means is that we are provided extra supplemental funds to support low achieving and limited English proficient students until they're able to meet and exceed standards. And what you might not know about Claymont is for the last 2 years, we have exceeded the statewide standards. We are really focusing on not only helping our students who have some gaps, but our students who are overachievers, we want to keep pushing them too. So please know that we are doing everything in our power to ensure that our students continue to grow. And we also want you to know, under Title I, parent involvement is key. So we had our PTA meeting. It was so nice to see so many faces. Please consider joining our PTA and supporting our PTA and coming to meetings. And that is what makes Claymont Elementary successful. So again, my name is Tammy Stewart, and I am the proud principal of Claymont Elementary. If you have any questions or concern, my email address is on the screen. I can't wait to pop into some of the Zoom open house and see you all. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a great evening.